Yo, this is the front porch right here. Inside is the front porch, right? Walk in. The room high ceilings, they kind of already gutted it, so there's not a lot of gutting that still need to be done. All right. These mirrors definitely got to come off. Tight, move these. But it's a nice little living room. Some mold going on somewhere around these parts, these streets. But, you know, that's a part of the game. It's a nice little kitchen, right? There's mold right here. I don't know what that's coming from, but you gotta look into it. But it looks like it's a shed right through there. So that probably had to be knocked down anyway. But look, open that up right there, boom. It's be a nice kitchen. Nice kitchen. My basement is all jacked up. I ain't even going down this dark, no lights and all that stuff. But the basement need to be done or whatever you want to do to it. Back bedroom. Nice size. Good high ceilings. All right. Not too bad. Just the kicker right here, though. Somebody was tweaking. Middle bedroom. But there's no door outside for the bathroom. Oh, well, you know. You got to come through the middle room to get to the bathroom. So you got to redo all that. That ain't about nothing, though. See, no door. They took the door out and made that bathroom bigger. Why, I don't know. This is the front bedroom. Not too bad. Floors, I ain't worried about it because putting new floors all the way throughout, you know, with these settlement cracks and stuff like that. So, you know, the windows don't look too bad, but I don't know, they don't look too bad. Maybe might get away with a couple windows I have to put in here. Definitely probably get rid of that. Not too bad. Not too bad. All right. It's your boy, Tony the Real Estate Tiger, the Golden Star Home Buyer. Get at me if you got something for me. I'm looking for my next project. Send me a DM. Peace.